Alright, this is lesson 2.4, solving equations with variables on both sides. Again, as in the lesson before, to solve equations with variables on both sides, there's 4 simple steps. First, you must simplify by using the distributive property, if necessary. 2, combine like terms. That means you combine everything that is alike on the same side. And 3, add, subtract, to move things over the equal sign, crossing the border. And then last step is to multiply or divide to isolate the variable. Vertical angles. Vertical angles are always congruent. Your vertical angles are here and here and there and there. So these two angles are equal to each other, and these two angle measurements are also equal to each other. To solve this, because we know that these are equal, we're going to do 8x minus 21 is equal to 6x plus 3. Then we're going to simplify this equation. Draw your line. There's no distributive property. If I look on both sides, I can't combine anything. So then I need to add or subtract to move things over. So I want to move the 6x over to the 8x. So I'm going to subtract 6x on both sides because that's a positive 6x. That cancels. 8x minus 6x, it's 2x minus 21, which equals 3. Now over here, I want to isolate this variable, so I want to get rid of the minus 21. So I add 21 to both sides, and I get 2x equals 24. Well, last step is to divide. Divide by 2, so x is equal to 12. More examples. 2 times c minus 6 equals 9c plus 2. Distribute first. 2 times c is 2c. 2 times negative 6 is a negative 12. Over here I can't distribute, so I leave things the same. Now on the same border side, do I have anything to combine? No and no. So then I need to move things across my border. If this is minus 12 and I want to combine it with 2, I must do inverse operation. So I cancel that out. Over here I'm only left with 2c. Over here I'm left with 9c plus 2 plus 12 is 14. Well, now over here I have a variable and a constant. So I need to move the variable across the border. So I have 2c minus 9c. 2c minus 9c is negative 7c. 9 minus 9 cancels here. So I'm left with 14. So essentially your goal is to get your variables on one side and your constants on the other. Then you divide by negative 7. Always your last step, multiply or divide, and c is equal to negative 2. One more example. 7k minus 4 equals 5k plus 16. Draw your borderline. Can I distribute on both sides? No. Can I combine on both sides? Not here, not over here. So then I must cross my border, which means I add and subtract. So plus 4 over here, plus 4 over here. 7k is equal to 5k plus 20. Positive 5k is here plus 20, and 7k is by itself, which means the 5k must move over. So minus 5k minus 5k. So I get 7 minus 5 is 2k equal to 20. Then the last step, of course, is always to multiply or divide. So you have k is equal to 10.